see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? At some point we mess up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that?
Dito kayo sa loob ng bahay ni Mel. Andito yung mga pangalan ng mga bata. Yung sa top si Emma, tsaka si Brad.
Yeah, now the house stays clean, I'm gonna get to move out.
Yeah, wala na kasi siyang kids. So ngayon, ang linis ng bahay. Tingnan, bagong carpet din siya.
Yeah, both of them are now.
Yeah. Yeah, and may ipakita ko sa inyo yung picture ni Hunter and Zach and Kuya. Tingnan niyo, lit pa nila dito, guys. Oh. Andito sila. Ang cute, look at Zachary. Han! Babe! Call Uncle John. Lumabas na si Jen, di niya nakita. Ganda. Bagong carpet, oh. Sarap sa paa, no? Kasi sa amin, babaguhin din yung aming carpet. Pero hinintay lang na yung mga bata na
Oo, tsaka,
ano ba?
oo, tsaka yung katulad sabi ko nga kay Talana, yung couch nila, luman.
Guys, nakanap ako dito ng 1 hour. Naka-reclining to kanina. Tapos, hindi siya pumasok. Kinising niya ako dahan-dahan. Sabi niya, gising na daw ako kasi magkikake na. Oh, sarap. Sabi ko, mamaya na. Sabi niya, this is not our house. They're gonna have cake soon. Sabi ko, alright. So, labas na tayo dun. Nagdi-dessert na pala sila, guys. Oh. Andun naman si Willow kay Tito dyan. Oh. Parang paiyak. Are you alright, Papa? She looks like crying. Nakita yung mami niya kasi andun, no? Ito na yung ating custard cake, guys. Oh, wait. So, yan yung itsura ng custard cake,
What are you
okay?
looking for, Time? Get your bowl, Tim. Is that your bowl, Tim? I've got one. Oh, I like that.
How about this? Oh.
Do you want, there's Christmas pudding over there, do you want some of that and some custard?
Oh.
Christmas pudding in.
Behind there.
I just couldn't fit it all in.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll just get
Kunin niya daw yung nahulog. Sinala na yun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just a little for you, eh?
Yeah, little.
Oh. Okay.
Condensed milk in your coffee?
I don't know what
Oh. Mel?
Yep.
They keep coming. Oh. Yes, custard. Who else?
Dad's getting a bowl.
Oh, Dad too.
Part water and drinking mine. Did you put it on around it all? Thanks for that. Part had it on my head.
Dada.
What are you going to tell this? Oh, right.
The first time you ever seen any vegetable.
You want someone? Ano, ma'am? How's it? Yes.
Nice, then.
Nagkukroll na siya, oh. Go, Baba!
That's right.
Go! Oh, watch your head! First niya mag-crawl. Ayun, pinipicturean siya ni Mami. Ay, binibidyo. Yay! Good job! Good girl! Sabi niya. Go, Baba! Good job!
Oh, you're waving. Oh, right on the
Alright. Presents time. Ang nyo yun, guys. Ang ganda. Dito na si Johnny Boy.
Oh my God.
Pagod? Habang naghihintay ng presents, nanonood sila ng motorbike. Ito na pinapanood ni Sak. At saka ito ni Daddy. Sila pala, sila lahat.
From a different angle. Why? What?
Oh, no.
Ayan na, nagkakagulo na.
Like that.
Wait, Sak. Wait for Auntie Mel to call your name. What you gonna say?
And this one's yours too.
Thank you. I'm out. Open the wrap one.
Not yet. Wait for them to
Hey, this one.
say. Thank you.
Hey, this one.
I'm opening this.
Willow. Where's Rylan? Where's Rylan?
What's this one?
This one?
Oh, Sak. What you got?
What's that one?
Oh, it's Sharon. Where is that?
Open it, Papa. Untie it. Wow, that flashy. Sak, can you help her, please? Can you help Polly, please? Open it, love.
No, open the wrap.
Yeah, of course. Oh.
Kids ready to just go home right here. This is why.
What's that?
Yeah.
Kids 100.
What's that? Yeah.
Put it on the floor. Happy Napa.
Oh,
Happy Napa.
wow.
Fine.
What you guys got? Zombie.
You got Saints, Collingwood, West Coast.
Oh, look at this, Holly. Nice. Wow. Oh, what's that, Holly?
And then my happy.
Oh, you have to paint that one. What's that, Kuya?
20 bucks.
Oh, Tyron. It has your name, Kuya. My $20.
Gold membership time. BCF. Scorecard from last
What you got there, Baba? Oh, yes.
Have you been good? Oh
Wow. So, scented ano na naman. What's that, yeah? Hat. Whoa. You got lots of little stuff there, yeah? Unlimited na regalo, oh. What's that, Baba? Be careful. Oh, wow. Dollar. Dollar. Oh, you got money too. Wow.
What's that? Monopoly. Is that
Yeah.
Last one.
Last one. May letter ng first name nila.
Why do you put it here? Oh, come on.
Oh.
Wait.
Wow. We're gonna read that, Baba. You got lots of books. Pearl.
Yeah, you.
What's that?
The same as me.
Yeah.
Except the same. Why did you say Zach on me?
Wow. Glittery. Okay, you have to put that back in the bag and then zombie. Zach zombie. What? Zach zombie.
And I'm going to
Para sila naka West Eagle na hats. Yes, yeah.
this.
Oh, yeah. Wow. You still have more there, Baba? Okay, put it back now.
Get out. Get out. You got the sleeping bag. Oh, and Dad. I want to sleep bag. Yeah, the sleeping bag.
All right, and us too. You have to pick all that paper. That's nice. Yes. Give it to Daddy. Okay, yun na yung mga regalo nila. Oh, for Pa. What's that? Crack, right? I heard crack. To Pa. Give it to Pa. That's for Pa. LOL, wow! Meron pa siyang nahanap na regalo niya. Okay, put it now here. Clean up time. Si Auntie Malian yung regalo ni Jay sa kanya bike. Okay, ready? Come on, just a picture. Come on.
Oh, Dad, can you get my phone?
Smile, please. Okay, Willow. I can't see you, Riley. Stand up, love. Stand up. Yeah. Smile. Smile.
Willow.
Look at the camera.
Willow.
No, you don't have to do that, Baba. Ah, it's all right. It's all right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at here.
Willow, look at Mum.
Willow.
Rylan, hop up.
Willow. Up. Look. Yay! Look at here. Good job, Willow. I think I got it in here. Good job. Thank you. That one. That one. I sent it to you. Where is your shirt, love? Here. Oh, that was so cute. Ito na yung first present ko, guys, nabubuksan. Ah, yeah. This is your favorite one, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
That's good. That's for Johnny Boy.
From Dad.
From Dad. This is from Dad. Ito kay Talana. Ito, bigyan natin ito kay Talana. Nagtatumbling din to. Di ko nakunan. Nagki-cricket na sila. Oh.
Gotta roll out in, try running.
Batteries. Uncle Jay! No, for Uncle Jay.
Use from the floor.
What's that?
Your batteries.
100.
Yeah, leave that one in there. We'll do one in
Right, didn't we?
It's nice here, Em. There's sun.
Yeah, it's been in the sun. Yeah, they want to shift them. Give them down to Auntie Ann. Yeah, it's been in the sun.
It's nice here to sit, Em. It's a bit warm than standing there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Are you gonna go? You have dinner somewhere?
Mine is not opening.
Hang on.
Oi!
Oh, Pa, they might not be melted, they're marshmallows.
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, well, they've been in the sun.
Yeah, they could be a bit melted.
Yeah.
This is the spice.
Hang on. Don't leave the thing. Kids versus adults. Oh! Oh! Willow! Willow! These are cool. Pa-picture sila kay Willow. Willow! Here, Baba! Oh God, he's trying to control you. That's a dinosaur? It's like Zachary. Yeah, it's in there. Batteries. Uncle Jay! No, poor Uncle Jay.
Used them this morning.
What's that?
The batteries.
100.
Yeah, like that one in there, we'll do one at a time. It's nice here, Em. There's sun.
Yeah, it's been in the sun.
So they melted.
Yeah, they want to shift them. Give them to Auntie Anne. Yeah, it's been in the sun.
It's nice here to sit, Em. It's a bit warm than standing there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Are you gonna go? You have dinner somewhere?
Yeah, we have a different family. I like to put these in the fridge. It's both fun. Yeah.
Mine is not opening.
Hang on.
Oi!
Oh, Pa, they might not be melted, they're marshmallows.
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, well, they've been in the sun.
Yeah, they could be a bit melted.
Yeah.
This is the spice.
Hang on. Don't leave the thing. Kids versus adults. Oh! Oh! Willow! Willow! These are cool. Pa-picture sila kay Willow. Willow! Here, Baba! Oh God, he's trying to control you. That's a dinosaur? It's like Zachary. Yeah, it's in there. Reading?
Reading and television.
We need this one. Good job, Kuya.
How do you think they that? Do you need this series? Hey, Lauren.
See you, Em. You look so pretty. Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
See you.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will. Yeah, you text me, okay?
yeah, will you let me know when you're in town?
All right. Okay. Happy New Year. Say and Tim. And Tim. And Tim. How about Tim? Tim, go cuddle. Say see ya. Uwi na sila, ma'am, and magdadala siyang custard cake. Ayan. Dala ni ma'am. Mamaya si Tula na gustong-gusto niya rin. Tsaka si Em. Umalis na sila, Ems. Si Brad, tsaka andun pa. Tsaka mga bat, naglalaro sila ng cricket. What's that, ma'am?
Ano,
Ayan, kumakain ako guys. Pansit ni ma'am. Tapos yung custard.
ito akin.
Yan, kay ma'am yan. Alright. O, diba? Ayan, kumakain na sila. Sinusubuan ko rin si Rylan. You want more? Okay, come on.
Do you want to get
Nandun sila, oh. Ang saya nila.
Nana, do you want to get some? Right.
No, I'm just gonna feed him, Dad.
John.
Andun pa rin sila, guys. Naglalaro.
3 boys at Howard. Competitives got out there.
Yan, kit malulobat ako.
Anyone can use the ashes.
Huwag ka muna malubat. Si Dustin yung magtatapo ng bola.
Yeah.
Oh!
He's playing. He loves the toys. He's got it full of water. Because he had it in the super slide. He's played in the dog
Oh.
Mom, this is mine now.
Oh, really? Oh.
Well, we nearly had the heater on, and now we probably have the air conditioner on.
Are we bringing that, Holly?
Yeah.
Nagpakuha na rin sila ng pansit and Nana's fried rice. Put it there. Nagutom sila. So, eto. Kain ako. Dessert. Oh. Good catch!
All for camera. Get
Nasalo ni Hunter yung hit ni Tito J.
Do you get me a beer can?
Si TJ naman.
Oh, yeah.
Sana hindi mo naman lupat. Kasi nagpa-flash na siya. 1 bar na lang. Oh! Oh, lamig ng hangin. Kinakain niya na yung aking cake. Good? Ayan sila, oh. Tapos na sila.
Bravo.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Punta pala kami kila Kylie.
Yes, the Christmas.
Alis na kami. Okay, bye-bye. Kiss me now. Oh, finally. See ya. Uwi na. And then after, i-drop up yung mga nakuha nila dito. Punta tayo kila Kylie. And dala nila yan. Yung, yeah, pumping. What do you call that? Bubbles? Yeah, okay.
I like the bubbles.
Dito na tayo sa place nila, Sophie. And ayan yung pinapagawa nilang bagong bahay.
person? Mom.
Yes. And umuwi kami para kumuha ng jacket.
Mom, how come Kylie can put the one that guess what? Sophie put her star on there. I don't know how.
Oh, yeah.
Little. What is that?
Okay.
Sophie's got.
Yeah, she got something. Yeah. Something she wants.
LOL stuff.
I'm not sure.
Oh, let's go.
So si Kobe, bibigyan na lang ni Jan ng $100 kasi hindi niya kailangan ng toys. So siya na lang bumili. Dito na kami sa loob. Nandito yung lola at lolo nila. Ah, sa lola. It's alright. Ang cute ng dog, oh.
She licked on me.
Sa nana niya to, sa lola to ni Sophie. So cute. Ang liit. Like, I don't mind having like this dog. Kasi ang liit lang. Look how cute. Oh, she got earrings. Wow. Hello. She won't buy.
Come here, pup.
What's the name?
Aisha.
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 Oh, cutie. Ginawa niya ako ng hot chocolate. Thanks, Kylie. And gagawin na namin yung
Go and get
presents.
Dad.
Yeah, nasa labas si Jan at si Joe. Kanina nandito si Nana Trish. Is it Nana Trish? Yeah. Yes, si Kobe. Huh?
Can I have
Guys, and
Guys.
ito yung dalawa.
Oh, that's mine, Sophie.
What?
Can I have
Guys, and
Guys.
ito yung dalawa.
Oh, that's mine, Sophie.
What? Okay, wait.
Well, what you get, Baba?
Order niya raw yung kay Kylie. Is that what you order? Sila muna next.
Baba.
Excuse me, Baba. Baba, excuse me.
TJ has this. I've got that.
Yeah.
I saw him wearing it.
Jackery.
It's alright.
Oh, cool, Jack.
Ah, yeah, you need
Shorts for
shorts.
summer, Jack.
You need shorts.
What's that? Skateboard.
Oh,
Oh no, my God.
no. I walk out and roll that.
Feel it.
Yeah.
That was
Jack.
Mama shirt. It tells me.
I reckon I've got him the same top and he's already got it.
It's alright. No.
Another
Yeah.
one.
That's
Yeah, but is
good.
it the same, Shani?
Yeah.
Happy travel.
Yeah, you've got the
Yeah,
same
it's
one.
alright.
When you wore it in Adelaide, I thought, oh
Are they, is there
no.
a front and back of this, or they're both the same?
Doesn't matter, mate. Take the plastic on.
Nice.
Yeah, when you stand.
Oh, yeah, naman. Meron.
Be careful with it.
Yeah, just be careful, huh? You need knee pads.
Bit more up, that's about
What do you
right,
reckon?
Or a bit more at the back.
Well, you can have your ends up at the
Thank
back.
you.
Yeah, you put them on, put your foot on the back, Zach.
Your front one always. Which way? Which foot's your front foot, Jack?
Which way do you feel better when,
When you
ride
fall,
it? Which way?
let
No.
him fall in front of you off
Down
off the
that way.
skateboard.
Zachary, hop on for a sec.
Or that way.
When you do the, what you call the surfing, is it the same? Like surfing?
I'll
show you something.
Yeah.
Hold on, one foot. Go.
Okay,
Go
go.
over to Kobe.
Lean forward. No,
2 feet together. 2 feet together.
Good job, yeah.
Lean
Fall.
forward.
Fall towards Kobe.
No, fall.
Like fall.
Actually,
fall.
lean.
Like you're gonna right.
There, that's
His
your front
right foot.
Try
Right
that
foot
one.
first.
I knew I was gonna get this. I know how to ride one.
Put your
That's why I was
Forward
whispering
more.
to Chona. That's why I was whispering to your mum, and since I didn't want you to get that, since
Yeah, yan dapat yung kukunin namin sa
that's why I
Target.
didn't want you to
That's
get
a,
that at Kmart.
no, that was Target, love.
That's it. That's it.
Put them up the back a little more.
Which one's this one?
TJ, be careful, because I'll go straight on the
Yeah.
Then you just flip that.
Yeah, so
Take it.
push down
Mom,
on
you have
that
to
back one.
feel water in here.
Push down on it.
Yeah.
Put up, push.
I know you wanted babies with bubbles.
Oh, that was cool.
I have
TJ,
bubbles.
Hop out of the way, so.
Yeah, hold my hands.
Righto, Sophie's turn.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's
Good
all right.
job.
Good boy, TJ.
Boy.
Kylie, Kobe, and Sophie.
Good boy,
Good
Zach.
boy. How about you? Did you? Ah, yeah, you said thank you.
We have it?
Holly,
Okay, Holly, give the present.
give a present to Sophie.
Here, it's in here, in my bag. She choose that one.
I'm giving Kobe.
Are you?
It's gonna be your present. Is it a pocket?
Alright, look at that. I can't say Sophie opening a present.
That's what she wants.
Mate, you think that he wouldn't know how to skateboard, but I'll guarantee you I can go all around the skate park without even stopping.
Like this.
Oh my God.
Even now I can. I can do a grind, go over the spine.
You?
Yeah.
Kobe's next, roll Zach.
Wait, I don't know what Kobe got.
Thank you very much.
Kobe.
Oh, Kobe. She's not listening.
No. No.
It's alright. Yeah. It's alright.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So you can buy what you
you very
want.
much.
No worries.
You're a bit lucky.
That's a bit. Thank you very much.
No worries. No worries. Merry Christmas. Yan yung pinili niya nung tinanong ko siya sa
What's it
Target.
called,
Kasi yan ang kinukulit niya. Mini shopper.
No,
Guys, bye na kami. Iko-close ko na yung vlog kasi sobrang antok na ako. And sabi ni Jan, don't you ever think that you're gonna edit tonight. Sabi ko, no. So, 2 araw ata ko walang vlog. Yep. Oh, good night now. Say good night to people. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Kuya, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, pagod na nila. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh, good night. Yeah. Say Merry Christmas to the people.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, good night to the people. Say Merry Christmas.
And look what I got, guys.
Yeah, alright guys. We'll show you that one day. I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Next time ko na lang ikukwento yung kwento ni Jan dun sa pamilya niya about some motorbike. Yeah, next time na lang guys. Good night. Merry Christmas.